You can easily reset your Microsoft Edge by renaming the user data folder for Microsoft Edge. And after that, this will erase all settings and data. And when you reopen the Edge browser again, it will be like the first time. And here's how to do it. First of all, we have to completely exit our Microsoft Edge browser. To do that, press Ctrl+Shift+ESC and your task manager will open. Here you will find Microsoft Edge. Just select Edge and click on End Task, and your Microsoft Edge browser will be completely closed. And now I'll show you how to rename the user data folder for Microsoft Edge browser. Just right click on your start menu and open Run. And here you have to type %local app data %/Microsoft/Edge and then click on OK. And you will directly jump into Microsoft Edge user data folder. And now just right click on user data, rename, and now enter a new name for the folder like user data old or user data 0, and then press enter to save the change. And after that, just go ahead and relaunch your Microsoft Edge browser, and now you will see you have successfully resetted your Microsoft Edge browser.